Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to sell on the Nextdoor app and make the most of its features. Nextdoor is a social networking app for neighborhoods. It helps you connect with locals, share news, get recommendations, and buy or sell items. The For Sale and Free section lets you list unwanted items and find buyers nearby. To start, open the Nextdoor app and log in. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to create a new listing. Enter a clear title, a detailed description, and the price. Make sure to upload high-quality photos to attract buyers. Once everything is set, tap Post, and your listing goes live for neighbors to see. And that's it. Selling on Nextdoor is quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.